The RV world is changing fast, and one of the biggest upgrades you'll see in modern motorhomes is the complete shift toward 12-volt systems. In 2026, 12-volt RV motorhomes are no longer a luxury feature, they are becoming the smart, efficient standard if you're planning to buy, build, or upgrade an RV. Understanding how a 12-volt motorhome works can save you money, power, and frustration on the road. A 12-volt RV motorhome runs most of its essential systems on low-voltage DC power instead of traditional 110 or 230-volt AC electricity. This includes lighting, fans, water pumps, USB outlets, control panels, refrigeration, and even air conditioning in many modern setups. The biggest advantage of a 12-volt system is efficiency. You use less power, lose less energy in conversion, and rely more on batteries and solar instead of generators or campground hookups. In 2026, motorhomes manufacturers are designing RVs that are fully optimized for off-grid living. LED lighting has become standard, drawing a fraction of the power compared to old systems. Water pumps and ventilation fans are quieter, smarter, and more power efficient. Even 12-volt refrigerators now outperform older gas or AC models, especially in hot climates and long travel days. At the heart of a 12-volt RV motorhome is the battery system. Most 2026 models use lithium batteries instead of lead-acid lithium. Batteries charge faster, last longer, and can be discharged deeper without damage. A typical 12-volt RV setup may include 200 to 600 AMPs of lithium capacity, enough to power lights, fridge, electronics, and water systems for days without plugging in. Solar power plays a huge role in these systems. Roof-mounted solar panels feed energy directly into the batteries through a smart charge controller. During daylight hours, your RV can run almost entirely on solar energy. This means less generator noise, less fuel cost, and more freedom to camp anywhere. Deserts, forests, beaches, or mountains. One of the most important upgrades in 2026 motorhomes is the 12-volt air conditioning system. Traditional RV air conditioners require heavy AC power and generators. New 12-volt DC air conditioners are designed to run efficiently on lithium batteries and solar, especially during nighttime or mild weather. While they may not cool as aggressively as campground AC, they are perfect for off-grid comfort and quiet. Sleeping. For beginners, a key concept to understand is power management. In a 12-volt RV, everything works together. Batteries store power, solar produces it, and appliances consume it. Smart control panels now show real-time usage, battery, percentaged, solar input, and estimated runtime. This makes it easy to learn how much power you're using and adjust habits like cooking times, device charging, or air conditioning use. Another major benefit of a 12-volt RV motorhome is safety. Lower voltage systems reduce fire risk and electrical hazards. Wiring is simpler, components are lighter, and maintenance is easier compared to complex AC systems. This is why many overland and expedition vehicles are moving fully to 12-volt architecture. By 2026, many RV manufacturers are designing motorhomes that can operate almost entirely without shore power. USB-C outlets replace traditional sockets, induction cooking becomes more efficient, and smart inverters only activate AC power when absolutely necessary. The result is a quieter, cleaner, and more independent RV lifestyle. This shift isn't just about technology, it's about freedom. Freedom to park anywhere, travel longer, and rely less on campgrounds. In the next part, we'll break down how to use, upgrade, and optimize a 12-volt RV motorhome, including practical tips, common mistakes to avoid, and how to build a reliable setup that works in real life. Using a 12-volt RV motorhome efficiently starts with understanding your daily power needs. Before upgrading or buying, you should estimate how much electricity you use in a day. Lighting, fridge, phone charging, laptops, water pumps, fans, and air conditioning all add up. In 2026 motorhomes, most systems are designed to run continuously on 12-volt power, but smart usage still matters. The first rule of a successful 12-volt RV lifestyle is balance. Your solar input, battery capacity, and power consumption must work together. If your RV has 400 watts of solar and 400 AMP-hours of lithium batteries, you can comfortably run essential systems day and night, as long as you manage hydro appliances wisely. Running air conditioning, induction cooking, or electric heaters all at once will drain batteries faster, even in advanced systems. Upgrading an older RV to a 12-volt system is easier than most people think. The most impactful upgrade is switching to lithium batteries and LED lighting. Replacing an AC refrigerator with a 12-volt DC fridge dramatically improves efficiency. Adding a solar charge controller and roof panels allows continuous charging while driving or parked. Many RV owners also install DC-to-DC chargers, so the vehicle alternator chargers house batteries while driving. One common mistake beginners make is oversizing inverters. In a 12-volt RV, you should avoid converting DC power to AC unless absolutely necessary. Every conversion wastes energy. Modern 2026 RV designs minimize AC use by offering DC appliances, USB charging, and smart electronics that run directly on 12 volts. When you do need AC power, such as for a microwave or laptop charger, a small pure sine wave inverter is usually enough. Cable sizing and installation quality are critical in 12-volt systems. Low voltage means higher current, so thick cables and proper fusing are essential. Most factory-built 2026 motorhomes already handle this correctly, but DIY builders must pay close attention to safety standards. Proper ventilation for batteries, secure mounting, and correct grounding all contribute to system reliability. Living in a 12-volt RV motorhome changes how you think about energy. You become more aware, more efficient, and more in control. Instead of relying on noisy generators, you learn to work with sunlight, battery storage, and smart planning. This makes travel more peaceful and environmentally friendly for full-time RVers, digital nomads, and off-grid travelers. 12-volt motorhomes are ideal. They support remote work, content creation, and modern electronics without constant hookups. In 2026, many RVs even include integrated energy management apps that let you monitor and control everything from your phone. Maintenance is also simpler. Lithium batteries require little upkeep. Solar panels are largely maintenance-free, and fewer AC components mean fewer failures. Over time, this reduces costs and increases reliability, especially on long journeys. Looking ahead, the future of RV travel is clearly moving toward fully DC-based smart motorhomes, more efficient appliances, better batteries, lighter vehicles, and quieter systems are shaping a new generation of RV living. A 12-volt RV motorhome in 2026 is not just about saving power, it's about smarter travel, deeper freedom, and a more modern way to explore the world. If you're planning your next RV, upgrading your current one, or simply learning how modern motorhomes work, understanding 12-volt systems is one of the most valuable skills you can have. It allows you to travel farther, stay longer, and enjoy the road without limits. The future of RV living is efficient, silent, and solid, and it starts with 12 volts.